So conditions such as flooding, drought, and excessive heat are going to become more common as climate change kicks in. Plants are going to have to cope with all of these potentially in a single season. We want to know how our crops will respond to these warmer seasons. These oilseed plants are identical twins. The one on the left has experienced a colder winter and the one on the right a warmer winter, showing that this British crop flowers well and on time after a cold winter, but not so well after a warmer winter. So we're using automation to look at how plants, and particularly crop plants, cope with these changing conditions. The plants are cared for on an individual basis, such that each gets enough water or its neighbours get too little or too much. And then the images are sent to computer scientists who extract information about the plant's health and its performance. We work with scientists from across the UK and around the world to look at a range of future climates, how our current crops react to these, and this will help us to breed crops that will cope better in the future.
Small nation, big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.